Do you think you can improve your English in just 7 days? Yes, it's possible, but only if you follow the right method. Today, I will share a simple 7-day plan that can help you start speaking English. And I will also tell you a short story that will change your thinking. Today, I will tell you a story. There was a boy whose name is Rahul. He wanted to speak English. He understood English, watched videos also, but he didn't speak. He was afraid of making mistakes. He was shy. He think what people say, what people thought about me when I made mistakes. And he never tried. That's why he never improved. But one day, he had just 7 days to improve his English. And he can't able to understand what can I do, where I start, and how I start. Then he started following 7-day plan. Today I will share with you all that plan. You also can improve your English in just 7 days. Yes, you heard right. Day 1 and day 2. Rahul started speaking small sentences like I am improving, I am learning English, I am confident. And he repeated all these sentences again and again because he understood small sentences builds strong base. That's why he started with a small sentence like I'm going, I'm meeting, I'm going to the market, I'm going to school, I'm happy. What are you doing? How are you? What are you feeling? Like these sentences. You also repeat with me. I am learning. I am speaking English. Day 3. He started listening English videos, English conversations, simple English videos, and he started speaking. He started repeating all those sentences again and again. He didn't care about mistakes. He just spoke like what he is doing. Like, for example, he's sitting, he's watching videos, he's learning English, like these sentences. What do you learn? Listen English videos and repeat sentences again and again and just spoke without afraid. Repeat after me. I'm listening English videos, I'm repeating sentences again and again, and I'm not afraid at all. I'm just speaking. I'm not care about anyone. I'm just speaking. Day 4. Rahul started practicing in front of the mirror like he's talking with other people. He felt I'm talking with other people. At first, it was strange. He is also afraid. He also makes many mistakes. But after some time, it felt better and his confidence level is also high. And he felt confident and he started speaking in front of the mirror very confidently. So, what do you learn? You also start speaking in front of the mirror. First, you also felt strange, but after some times you felt very confident and you, yes, of course, confidence automatically came because you are doing practice. No, practice brings confidence. If you want to build confidence, if you want to become confident person, then you have to practice a lot. After me, I am practicing in front of the mirror. I am confident. I am improving. I am learning from my mistakes. Day 5. Rahul stopped translating in his minds with native languages to English. He started directly thinking in English language. In English. Like, I am tired, I am feeling happy, I am very happy, I am excited. Now his speaking became faster. So what do you learn? Start thinking in English. Stop translating in your mind. and start thinking small sentences like I am hungry, I am tired, I am happy. And by this process, your speaking is faster. So repeat after me. I'm not translating. I am thinking directly in my mind. I am improving. I'm speaking faster. I'm excited. I am busy. And you also started revising words using sentences every day. So, what do you learn from this? And make sentences by those words. Then you can learn for a long period of time, and you also speak very confidently, and you can also speak very fluently. So don't try to memorize words, try to use words in sentences. And you also can make a story. Repeat after me. I am using words in making sentences. I am making sentences. I am improving every day. Day 7. Now Rahul started speaking very fastly. Yes, he made mistakes now also, but he didn't stop. He just spoke with confidently because now he is confident and he knows that yes, mistakes definitely happen because I am learning new things. I am growing. I am learning from my mistakes. So now he spoke confidently. After 7 days, Rahul was not perfect, but he was better. He was confident. Most importantly, he was not afraid anymore. So, if Rahul can do it, you can do it too. So, friends, don't wait. Start from today. Follow this 7-day plan and you will see improvement. Comment below. I will start today. Hope you like these videos. If you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep improving, keep growing. All the best. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much.